Okay, so we have covered those things, and now it's time to string. So I already told you, like string, we have data type, right? So like let's say I have a equal to views. Then if I will check the type of this a, I will have string. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Can you
Okay.
please once tell typecasting?
Yeah, we have type a. Are you asking something, Chris? I didn't get your question.
Like
Please repeat.
how to typecast string to like int? I'm having confusion in that.
See, you cannot do like that. Okay, just tell me one thing. If I have a equal to views, so can I do like a equal to, okay, how you will do? Like how you will convert views as a number?
Like I thought typecast will do that.
Typecast. So like, do you know how you can do that? See,
Also,
if
like
you
I
have, let's say you have a equal to 5, okay, then
yes,
you
sir.
can do like, then you can write like, typecast this like int of a, okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
then, sorry, it's for earlier int. Okay, now I can convert this as a string because int can be as a string, but string cannot be int.
Oh yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
so if you have to then like how you can, yeah, there is one more way. That is what it is. Just let me check. Uh, I think it will be for int one. Yep, this is for int. Now for that, it's what is this? It's called sky value. Do you know?
No, sir.
And you don't have any idea, right? So basically, a is a 5. So now let's say if you have used, so let's say because a, I think this a is taking, I don't know, it's taking for fuse or what, but basically there is, like let's say, yeah, this is sky value, but I don't think it will be appropriate. So you cannot change basically string as a int, but yeah, you can do an int as a string. Okay,
Yes, yes.
great. So basically what I shown here sky value, basically there is sky value, and this is like you can say this is a standardized thing for alphabetical characters. Let's say we have capital A or small a, like A to Z. So they have some numerical value, basically. Okay. So if you guys will like go up, then I will give some of the assignments on behalf of that. But before that, let's finish this session. Okay. Now we have like in string, I'm going to teach you guys like about data type. Now let's say I have name, and the name is, guys, be on screen because you will have multiple assignments on the string handling, because this is the most important topic that can be asked in an interview. Okay, many interviewer used to ask question from string.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Let's say I have Durgesh Kumar here, and I want, let's say someone told to you that just give me, okay, firstly let's go through that. Firstly, someone asked to you, just give me reverse of this Durgesh Kumar. So how you will do?
Reverse
Can you,
slicing,
how? Tell me.
like square bracket,
Square bracket,
and then what, like two dots and minus one.
dot, two dot,
Call.
Colon,
Not dot.
colon,
Colon.
colon. Yes,
column.
colon.
Cool.
And
Then
minus one.
minus one. So many, are you on the same page?
Yeah, I am. But why did you use double this colon two times?
I didn't use anything. You guys told me to use. That's why I have
Okay.
written. So just
No.
tell me.
I told.
So Pius is saying like he is correct. Now mini turn. Let me know mini. What? Should I change?
Yeah, you should remove one colon and then
Let's see.
yeah.
Okay, now I think this will be very helpful for you. Whenever you are slicing, then you need to use this variable name here. Without this, it will never return
Yes, sir.
anything.
Yes, sir.
Let me show you.
Yes, sir.
See here. What's happening? It's throwing an error, right? So you need to use
Yes, sir.
this variable name because see, you need to understand this Python like a English. Let's say name of whenever when like
Yeah.
you were a child. So how you were handling mathematics? There was something a rule like cos God mass, right? And even there was firstly it was starting by off, or in Hindi it was star, like that, right? So
Yes,
firstly
sir.
we go through the off one. So it means name of, it's this, like name of this. So we will fetch this value of this variable, or yeah, or this name. So it will give me this. Wherever here, let me show you first, then I will let you know like what is the error here and what is the different thing. So let's say I did this. So what it's giving? It's not reversing. Okay.
Yes, it
Yeah,
just
it will
remove the
not
last element.
reverse.
Last element.
Yeah, it's just no, yeah, it's given only, like all the element, just left the last one, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yes.
it is not included. Yeah.
Hmm. Even if I will pass here two, then it will give me all the things apart from the last two. Okay,
Yeah, it
but
will
if you want
exclude
slicing,
the
yeah, it will
values
exclude that.
that, yeah, any number that we are like writing here, -2,
Hmm.
it will exclude that.
Exactly. So basically, let's understand what is the meaning of this column. Column meaning is, like, let's say if I retain column, so in Panda or NumPy, basically it's represent as a rows or column. But here, this in this string, what will happen? Let's say I retain something here, two. Okay, I retain here two, and let's say I
Yeah.
retain here five. Now you will understand what is the meaning of this column. Let me show you. So see here, as you know, a string or anything, or in our list, if there is an element, then that will just start from zero, not from one. Is
Yeah.
it? So it will, like,
Yeah.
let's say zero, one, and this R is a two. Okay. It's started from two, and then it's ended on, like, just before the five. Let's say it was two, three, four, five. Five is S, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's
Yeah.
ended, yeah, it's got closed here, like just before the five, and it's given only R, G, or E. Okay, so colon means, now you will be understand that colon means from where to where, like till when, like there. Is it? Let's say we started from two, and I want to fetch elements till here. So you need
Okay.
to keep in mind, like, let's say now you will not be forget if you are writing single column. And if you write -1, then you will understand. Okay, colon means मेरे को कहाँ तक चाहिए. So -1 if I will write, and if I am writing here, so even see, if I am not writing here anything, it means each and every character. Okay,
Yes, sir.
here
Yes.
you can write zero as well, because before the column, like column से पहले क्या होता है कि जितनी एलिमेंट्स चाहिए होती है, ठीक है, और कॉलन के
Yes, sir.
बाद जिसे हमें छोड़ना होता है या फिर जहां तक जाना होता है. सो एज वी नो कि, लाइक, नेम में यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि हमारे कॉलम के बाद एक एलिमेंट छोड़ देगा. अगर मैं -1 ही लिख रहा हूँ, तो एक एलिमेंट ही छोड़ना था, और एक ही यहाँ पे था, तो जाएगा कहाँ, लाइक, वो तो छोड़ देगा ना. तो से अगर, लाइक, लेट्स से इफ आई पुट इट हियर 2, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, इट विल जस्ट रिमूव समथिंग, like the first one, because 2, it will not reach at 2, it will just end before the 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I
Yes.
hope you understood this thing, because if you
Yeah.
understood
Yes.
this one, then you will not face any kind of difficulty during handling the slicing or indexing in list, tuple, or somewhere else. Like, I don't think it will be happening in tuple, but you will be able to understand. So it's very compulsory to understand. I hope you understood, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So for reversing, you can just go for this double slicing. And for reverse, what we do, basically we use one, because we need all. Like, see, in reverse, what will happen? It will start from here, one, two, three, four, five, like this. Okay. So that's why we took this one. So it will give me like that. Okay.
Like we use double column because we are just skipping the range, first range to second range, and then
Yeah,
just
exactly.
third range.
Exactly. You are right. Okay, so I hope you understood, and I'm damn sure that you will not make this kind of mistake in your, like, assignments or classes, even if you are teaching someone or some, like, at any place.
Yeah, I have a question in reversing that we use double colon and
Hmm.
uh, the value at the this index that -1, it is included here because in the normal slicing
Yeah,
it
see,
was
it's
not in.
reversing. We are reversing. We are not slicing.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
because here everything is included, right?
Yeah, exactly. So
Okay.
this is basically reverse part thing. So basically, this is a shortcut that how you can reverse this. Rather than you can use some function, you can iterate this value by using for loop. So that those things will be very hectic for you now, as of now, if you don't have practice on those topics. But we don't need to
Yes,
be worry about that. I will let you know each and everything
sure.
in that way, like what I'm teaching you in the like today. So similarly, I will teach those all the topics that will be stuck in your mind. So don't be worried about that.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
So now let me introduce some of the string function as well. So we have some string function. Those are in Excel, you guys are aware about upper, lower, and proper, and those all things, right? So we have
Yes,
some other function as well in Python. So I will not go through those all, because I will have one more import station that will be upon a string, because there is various like function, you can say, or methods to handle this string. So I will not go for all, but I will just show you little bit. So first thing is, like, you can just be check by using length function. You can check the length of the that variable or string, any kind of string you have. Then let's say this is showing for this one, but what if I will not keep this? Let me check views. Okay, so it will just give me the length of this views. Okay, the first one, should I keep this, or because I don't think, should I give this you as well, or this recording is fine for you?
recording is fine, sir.
Mini, do you need this
So
field? Because I will keep those all the answers rather than I will remove.
I didn't understand. Can you
I'm
repeat?
asking, I'm
Yeah.
asking, do you need this Jupyter notebook?
No, no. Because you will provide the recording. That's fine.
Yeah, exactly. So now, let's say, see, we have, where I was, yep, I have this name, right? Now, the most important thing is you need to understand there is one function that is called count, I think. So let's say there's count, and I want to count how many. Okay, what is the repeating letter here? Isn't nothing here, right? Let me add something else. Okay, so I just added something more here. And now I want to count, let's say what we can count. Let me count S, right?
S
So here, okay, now tell me, is this a correct formula, or should I change something? Just a
dot
second ago,
count.
I told there is something missing.
Yes, sir. Name dot count हमें बताना पड़ेगा.
Correct. There should be named count. S is in, okay. So why, okay, Mini, do you know why this error is coming?
No, I'm not aware of this count function.
Okay, no problem. But see,
So,
whenever you will
Hmm.
find any this kind of error, so understand this is saying name S is not defined. So when you will not
yeah.
pass your string
Here.
between quotes, so it
Yeah.
will understand this S is a variable. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
that's why it's saying S is not defined. Basically, we define a variable name, right? So that's why it's saying, hey, buddy, you haven't defined any variable name as a yes. So why you are passing like that? So I will say, I'm sorry. Actually, I did mistake. This is a string in that particular
Yeah.
name. Now it will say, okay, we have 4 times of this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can we count like white spaces with count function?
white spaces, sure you can. Let's say I have one, right? Let's say I given, it will give me one.
Okay.
Now here I took space, don't forget, right? See, I just place here, let's say I given quotes and I press space button here. And then I will run this code, it will show me one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, cool. So now we have some more, there is alpha, capitalize that you can use. Like, let's say we have some of the small, like
S
in,
digits
so you can
and all.
capping capital later. So we have some function. I will let you know later on, okay? Because I don't think you guys will understand that all the parts today, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes.
So leave that. Now I think this typecasting I have covered. Now, okay, now that was just the question, the answer of the question proposed, right? Let me go. A equal to, let's say I have 8, and if I want to typecast that I want A should be in my like float. So I will write float before, like this. See, this is a float and float is a function. So I will open this parenthesis and then I will pass my A and it will give me 8.0. Okay. Now, if you will
Okay.
check this type of, let me check here, type of A. So what do you think? What it will be?
Float.
Int,
Sorry,
Float.
integer.
integer. Pius, what about you?
Float.
Pius, are you there?
A float. Float.
Float. Let
Yes.
me show you. Let me show you. So what is this?
Int is integer.
Int. Because I didn't assign this float A to this A.
Okay.
Okay. So whenever if you will be asked to change a data type or for typecasting, then make sure that you are assigning back.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
I hope you guys understood, and you will be definitely like knowing that, oh, if we are doing some mistakes, then these things are being more interesting, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Good. So now I hope you understood that typecasting and type function as well, because type is a function that can show you a data type of existing variable.
Yes, sir.
Now it's time for magic. So I know maybe if you guys have command on that, then definitely you are aware about this. But we have a things that is a function. By using that, you can ask to me that Durgesh, tell me this only. So let's say I want to ask from a user. Let's say I have some my friend or anyone. I want to ask his age or his mobile number, something. So what I will do? Let's say this is mobile equal to, and I want to ask a phone number. So how I can ask? Do anyone have idea about that?
Input.
Input. Good. Let's say I retain input. Is it correct? Yes.
Sir, input takes and string. If we just place int input, then it will be an
Okay.
integer.
Great. Mini, let me tell you. Mini, do you know about this input function?
No, I don't remember
Okay.
it right
Okay.
now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then be on screen. Be on screen. Now, see, input is a function. Basically, take it's used for taking input from the user. So if you will ask mobile equal to input, then it will, let's say if I will run this code, then now this screen is in front of me. Then it's going to ask to me, right? So let's say I will run this code mobile. So let's see here, it's asking.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So let's say I put it here 895 whatever. Okay. So now this question is for Pius because Pius know about this. So Pius, let's say I press enter here. Now
Yes.
I want to check the data type of this mobile. What will be?
So string.
String. Okay. So Mini, basically what happened here? Input is a function. What generally, if you will not specify here that ask input from user as a int or as a float, then it will directly ask the input and that will be stored as a string. Okay, even that user will be give his output as a like his input as a string, like say like integer, then again it will be stored as a string. So let's say मैंने कहा कि चलो क्या मांगते उससे let's ask his age. So I think he given 89. Don't relate with your guys, okay? 89.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
let's say like okay, I am passing here. Let me show you. Even in input function, you can pass like that. Enter
Your
your
age.
age. It will be just for that user that he can understand. If I will run this code, so I think it's got correct. I have to run this kernel back. Okay, just a second. Huh? So sometimes it will be. Okay, cool. I think it's done, right? No, it's done. Okay. Okay, so basically, we did some of the changes. That's why it's happening. Even see here, we have some more options. We'll click on cell, and just click like run all below. So it will directly run the all the course. So if you haven't like gone through these all the elements for on Jupyter, then make sure that you need to know these all to be faster.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, so see, basically these things will be, happen whenever you will change something. So because we practice a lot, so that's why these things haven't changed.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay, leave that. Yeah. Okay. Now see, it's asking interview days, right? So
Yes,
let's
sir.
say I given 89. So I'm not at 89. Okay. But see, if I will ask for type, I given 89, right? My age will never be in string, but it is a string basically, right? So for that, I have to typecast this, and this is called typecasting. What I told earlier. So here I will write int, and then I will close this bracket back here, and then if I will ask, and I will let's say 45, then it's going to give me 45, and if I will run this code, it will give me int. Okay, so it means like whenever you are required to get a input as a float, int, or boolean, then whatever you can take by this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go on
Okay.
some little project. Let's say I have a variable that is called weight. Even I will ask the user. So enter your weight. Okay. And one most important thing, just focus on this T. I'm pressing one space. Okay. Why? I will let you know. Let's say we have height here. Height equal to again int. So now here I am doing one mistake. If you guys are aware, then let me know what is this. Mini should answer this question. Mini, is there any problem in this code? Are you there?
Yeah, I think no, we can.
Okay. Then fine. If you are not like, if you think there is no any error, then that's fine. So okay, basically there is a formula formula for BMI.
Yeah,
Basically we
yeah.
calculate like weight upon height by square, I think. So you can do like that way. Firstly you will write height and this one twice and then two, rather than height into height. Okay.
Yes.
Now see what will be error here if I will run this code. Okay. Now I passed, let's say my height is 165. Okay. And now okay, I passed very wrong. Okay. Sorry. First is weight, right?
65 and
Hmm.
165.
Okay.
So, like one thing, we
Hmm.
cannot like do assignment operators in on string. Like you divided the weight by height because
Here,
input takes string only. Because input takes string, we cannot assign operators on string. Weight डिवाइड बाय हाइट वो हम स्ट्रिंग में कैसे कर सकते हैं स्ट्रिंग को हम कैसे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं पहले
exactly. That will be the error. That will be the error.
यस
That's why I asked you guys, like, is there any error? So you told, Mini also told, like, I don't think so. So there is an
Okay.
error. So now, let's say if I will pass here, let's say weight is 55 and like let's say height is. So basically this formula will work upon, when your height will be in, meter. Okay. But
ओके
I'm going to pass my height in centimeter because I don't know. Let's say like this. And so what will happen? Let's say now I will run this code. So it will throw an error because weight is in a string. See here, weight is not defined.
So
Okay,
we need to typecast here, right?
exactly. I will go for int. Even you can go for float, not an issue. Now I will run this code. Let's say I pass here 65, then let's say 161 meter, and now even here is there is one more error. So this is the last thing that I will let you know. So if you anyone can identify, then let me know. Rather than I will run this code, and then I will let you know. And this thing is most important thing, use and meaning. You need to keep in mind whenever you are writing a
So
single variable name.
it's
The
a case sensitive.
Okay.
is
Finish.
it about the units
What
of
you need.
weight and height?
No,
So
no, no,
case
no. See
sensitive,
here.
W small,
See, we have
small
weight,
W.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And here we have like W in caps. So
Yes,
basically,
Uh,
Python is a case sensitive language.
yeah,
So
yeah.
we need to make sure, because why I told this in last, because you need to keep in mind whenever if you are writing a single variable name also, then you need to understand this. Okay. So now I think it's fine. Let me show you. BMI is this one. Now let's say I written B. Let's say I have this BMI, right? Now if I will ask for this BMI, then it will not give me any kind of output. Okay.
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Because you know this BMI and this BMI is same, but as this BMI has a name, like let's say you have a memory location and you have given name for this BMI, and let's say I'm assigning this as a 5. So it will understand this BMI has only 5 at his location, and this has this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope
Okay.
you understood this all, and I make sure that you are satisfied this with this session. And if there is anything, about
So,
feedback, guys, then please make sure to fill the feedback form. We will have that on the Slack.
you told that we will also see like tab, space tab,
Sorry,
and backslash and space tab.
backslash
You
10.
told
I
ना,
didn't get you.
like आपने कहा था ना कि हम वो भी देखेंगे like backslash n and like backslash t. आपने कहा था tab के लिए
Tab के लिए.
like black backslash n like आपने कहा था
Okay,
backslash n.
backslash n for new line.
Yes, sir.
So what do you understand in this? So see, I will teach these all things when I will go for string. Okay. Why I
Okay,
will teach
okay,
this? Yeah, when I will teach you guys a formatted string, then I will let you know this. Okay.
okay, okay.
For today, I have one more important thing. Okay, I hope you understood this one, right? Let me
Yes,
go
sir.
at my screen. So now, as you know, we have a website that is this one, right?
Yes.
So here, let me show you one more. When you will come at this profile, then you will have, here is one more thing, assignment and cheat sheet. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
just click on this. So you will, this thing will be appear at your screen, and click on this submit assignment. Okay, so you
Okay.
will have a form here. So you need to fill this form as per your, what details you have, and try to submit this assignment.
Okay,
Cool.
sir. Like,
And
can
if
you
you need
please
anything,
share this link with us in chat?
yeah, no, I will not send in chat. When you will have the assignment, then I think you will have that, let me show you assignment as well, but like you will receive this later on.
Okay. And can
So
you share this Jupyter file with,
with
because
the assignment,
recording will
there
be
is a link.
available. Okay.
Yeah, recording will be available. Even if you will need this one, then
Because
I will send.
recording will be available maybe till tomorrow, right?
Yeah, till tomorrow
So can you
at midnight.
please share this Jupyter file that you have worked on in this session?